Hey, what's up guys, this is Akshi and welcome to the first video of the year. And this is not a typical gadget video or something like that, but today I'm sharing top 5 tips that help me learn coding online and getting hired. We are also reviewing ZTM Academy. Now this is not a sponsored video or anything like that. This is what I personally use and highly recommend. So without further any ado, let's get started. So guys, these are the top 5 tips which help me learn coding online and getting hired. So earlier I was actually from a networking background. I done electronics and BE. So I actually switched from networking to web development. And if you want to read more about this is the Medium article which in detail tells about that. So you can find the links in the video description. But spoiler alert, I actually learned coding online on Udemy. By this Complete Web Developer in 2021 by Andre. This is one of the amazing courses and I've become fan. I bought all of its courses, as you can see, as well as I completed multiple of them. And so these tips is what help me learning coding as well as applying for jobs. So I'm sharing with you guys. And this is the ZTM Academy, which is just amazing. We're going to discuss its features and stuff later. So let's start with our tips. So first of all is to learn in a flow. Now before that, make sure you choose what you want to do in coding, like web development, app development, which language you are choosing, which API you're going to use, and for what you're coding, either for getting a job or maybe running your own business. So it's up to you. So first of all, learn with the flow is because you can't learn the second thing without learning the first one. For example, let me log into my ZTM Academy, and here you can see it says 0% complete because I done actually that course in Udemy. So for example, you can't learn, say, triggering or manipulating the DOM elements in JavaScript without knowing what is DOM in HTML. Okay, so it's like that. You can't learn the second thing without learning the first thing. So make sure get your basics done and then move to the maybe the hard stuff. So because on YouTube you can learn a lot of things. I personally use that as well. But YouTube is like, it uses AI to give you the best recommendation, but it's never in flow. So it's like you learn the third thing first, then the first, then the second. That's kind of a mess. So learn in a flow. That way you will understand each and everything. So let's begin with the second one, which is the code along. So this is what I learned from Andre. So before starting his course, what he tells is to do code along. For example, this is what I'm doing right now with a 70% complete, the JavaScript web projects. So code along is like you watching video, you understanding things. Okay, let me give you an example. For example, this is the developer tools for GitHub Pages video, and this is the basic way to how I.
Now that we're done with our CSS, we're going to move on to test our JavaScript.
Okay.
And we want to just see how the data is formatted. We can,
and I will open my Sublime Text. I will do window by window mode. Okay. Actually I have multiple monitors, that's why it's overlapping, but you get the idea of how you want to do code along. This is the best way because not only you understanding each and every line of code, but you are writing yourself. So yourself you come with errors and you get to know what you are doing wrong, as well as it improves your error fixing skills. So that's a good thing. This is an example. It's a very nice course. I'm almost 17% done. And there's some funny project like Joke Teller. I love this picture in picture mode. So that's an amazing course, and I highly recommend each one of my friend. So next thing is note down the points. Now before you learn anything, be it online or offline, definitely writing down a point register is important. But online it is also important, because if you keep watching video for hours and hours and hours and don't understand anything and can't remember what you learned the next day, it's useless. So make sure to learn. Now what I do is, for example, this is my ZTM dashboard right now, and I'm on this section, right? So I'm done with this project, which is picture in picture, and I'm starting with the joke teller, right? For example, let me go to another video or another course. So the best thing about the ZTM Academy is it's like a school where you get access to every courses, so you can choose what you want to learn, and there's a lot of projects, a lot of stuff which I will discuss later. So for example, I'm learning this right now, which is 12% complete web and mobile designer in 2021. And if you see, I'm right here. It is the sitemap section. So what I do is I create this folder, which is course notes, and I write down each point. So I watch like 4 videos a day, and then I note down the points. Now this is very much important because it keeps you to remember things, and also helpful. So you want to search for something, instead of watching the whole video, you just go watch your notes and get what you want. For example, this is the complete web and mobile designer thing that I told you. So I created this point register. As you can see, designer versus developer, skills to be top designer, what is sketching, about that ideas, and there's a lot of stuff which I write just in points instead of writing in paras or remembering the whole video. This basically helps to remember, as well as to get back whenever you need it. So that thing is there. So I watch 3 to 4 videos a day, then I write the points. Then I watch again next day. I watch 3 to 4 videos and write the points. And this is really helpful. Take my words, okay? These tips really works. So let's get to the 4th point, which is build your portfolio and projects. This is super important, and I learned this from the course Mastering the Coding Interview, and this is what stood me apart from other applicants. So I actually got hired from LinkedIn itself. So on LinkedIn there was a company called Confluence.r, and I was hired there. And because my LinkedIn profile as well as my portfolio was very good, I got a first preference. My interview went nice, and I got hired. So this is my portfolio. So portfolio should be a little about yourself and more about your projects. So this is the projects that I did from the Andre course as well. Face recognition is the complete web developer part. This is also the part. RoboFriends is also that part. This is something which I made. More on that later. So you need to showcase what you have done, what is the experience, what is your education in your portfolio, your projects. You want to show that, okay? Which is very much important. So do more projects, get more knowledge, because the first year I did the course, I was not that confident enough, but I repeated the course again. So repeating course is also a good tip. And I rented the point register. I did with the flow. Instead of watching any video or learning anything, I went with the flow. And it really work. So build your portfolio and projects. The next thing is become a problem solver. This is very much important, because someone is hiring you is because they want to solve some problem. Either you are building something or you are fixing something, right? So you want to be a problem solver. You should be always ready. Hey, this thing is not working. How do I fix it? And for example, we give the best example which I did. So I was working for a networking company, I said, right, before doing my coding job. So I actually made a portal which helped them to organize stuff, okay, because they were using a lot of applications and a lot of sheets. What I did is I converted it into a web portal, so they can access from any computer in the office, and it gets the job done easier. This is called problem solving. So as a developer, your first priority is to problem solve. Now these were the 5 tips. I actually kept it very small and sweet, but there are more tips, more bonus tips which I would like to share. Which is make a developer friends. Be part of your developer community. This is very much important. So if you can see, this is the 0 to mastery Discord group. So whenever you buy any of the Zero to Mastery course, you get access to this, where you can find programming buddies. You can find friends like you who is learning. You can ask them doubts. You can learn with them. It's amazing. I also have a programming buddy, not on this group, but it's a friend. So if I have anything doubt, I ask him, and if he has any doubts, he also asks me. So it's like nice. So make developer friends, be part of activities and stuff, which is very much important. So for example, if you Zero Mastery has its own academy, and there's so much people here which you can interact with. If you find more people like you, you will become better and better. So make sure you find your developer friends. Okay. Next thing is participate and contribute to various competitions. So again, here Zero to Mastery comes in. I know I'm pushing Zero to Mastery everywhere because this thing is such amazing. It's like everything in one place. So if you go to the website, okay, so if you go here in community, if you scroll down, you can find here open source project, coding challenges, events. So this is an amazing platform where you get everything in one place, as I said. So for example, I'm telling you to participate. It is necessary. I participated in some of the challenges, and there you learn more stuff, you meet more friends, and it shows nicely on your GitHub profile, as well as you get some badges. You also get some gifts, t-shirts, like the Oktoberfest t-shirt. I also got that, and stickers. So it's a nice way to learn new stuff, contribute to some open source projects, as well as so you can find more of the projects. Now, not necessarily you want to find only in ZTM. You can find it in Google, everywhere. You have to little bit of research, but if you have this ZTM Academy membership, you can just involved in one click. So you get everything in a GitHub profile page. Now, if you don't know how to use GitHub, then that's what I'm telling. So you can't learn, say, you can't learn doing this events or participating in these projects without learning GitHub, right? You need to learn GitHub first, then participate in these projects and open source stuff, right? So again, back to the one point, right? So participate. It's very nice to be part of the community, get prizes, and something you learn. The next thing is be in top 10%, stand out in the crowd. So for example, if the company gets 10 applicants, your profile should be stand out. You should have greater projects. You should have, if you have experience, it's great. But if you have amazing projects, you have certifications, you know more than them, it's good, right? So do more learning, do these things, participate in activities, get some badges, do a lot of projects. That's very much important. Portfolio and projects helps you stand out in top 10%. So this is, I actually steal this from MI, Xiaomi, but always believe something wonderful is about to happen. Okay, you should always be ready. Something is going to happen. And this is where again ZTM comes in. I know I'm pushing, but this is how amazing this platform is, this community is. I absolutely love it. So if you go here, you have country-wise section. You can make your country-wise friends, ZTM friends, we call it. You can participate in projects and stuff, and also there's a section called what I made. Look what I made. So you can share what you made and get feedback and stuff. There's also a section of alumni. So for example, someone like me who was already hired as a developer and he's doing multiple courses, I'm actually alumni here, as you can see. So you can help others, right? And people are sharing their certificates, as you can see. This is the ZTM certificate actually. So on Udemy as well as ZTM, you can check any of this out. So see, look what I made, as you can see. So here you can see what people are making. So maybe this will help you to solve their problem, and you get idea as well. So which is very amazing. Also there is an opportunity section, which is job hunting, as you can see. So you also get job postings here, as well as tips from other people, which is very useful. So make sure you grab every opportunity you get, start applying for jobs, look for more projects, and always believe something wonderful is about to happen. Now a shout out to Zero to Mastery, which really helped me in this journey. I absolutely love it, and I'm on the annual plan, and I'm also renewing next year, because you get all the courses here, as well as you get exclusive academy workshops. And this is an amazing course, Learning to Learn. This is actually a non-coding course, but if you're not reading books, this is what you want to watch, because it gives some tips and tricks how you want to learn efficiently. So this writing down points and everything I learned from this course. So you can see future proof yourself, a lot of amazing stuff which is exclusive to academic members, which is not in Udemy. So there's various reasons to join the ZTM Academy. It's like one university where you get access to everything. So thanks to Zero to Mastery, I got an opportunity to become a ZTM ambassador. It means that if you buy from my link, you will get 10% off, as well as I will receive a small commission, which will help to grow this channel. As you can see, you have two plans, which is $29 a month or $264 a year. Simple two plans, not a lot of packages or stuff. No need to buy separate courses on Udemy. You want to purchase individual courses. Here, one access to everything. And I love this. This is more than just an online course. It's a lot. It's like one and all thing. So highly recommended. So you can see you get unlimited access to courses, private group, Discord group. You get member only content. You get the access to LinkedIn group as well, and certifications. So if you join through a link in the description, and if you use code FRIENDS50, you will get 50% off on this course. So $15 a month for your first month. Okay. Or you can just choose to use coupon code FRIENDS10 in any of this plan and get 10% off in every of your purchase. So not only now, for example, you get say 1 month plan for say $26, that is 1,900 rupees, or you get the yearly plan for 17,300 rupees, which is special 10% discount. Also, when you renew the course, you get to use the same coupon code if you purchase from this link. So all you have to do is just click use coupon code and apply the coupon code called FRIENDS, FRIENDS 10, and hit apply. So you can see $27 discount, and this will work every time. Thanks for Zero to Mastery team for this, and I will also use this coupon next time I renew the annual subscription. So this is amazing. It's all because of you guys' support. So always believe something wonderful is about to happen. So that's pretty much for this video. Hope you like these tips. Zero to Mastery is amazing. Make sure to check that out as well. And if you like this more kind of presentation videos, definitely hit the like button and subscribe to the Tech Show if you haven't already. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye now.